Hi everyone, welcome to Standard Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I've got two 4x12 canvases here. I haven't tried this size before, but I thought they were cute, so I bought a 2-pack of them. We'll see. The base is my leftover paint from my last painting, so just using it up. It's like a really tannish rose, if you want to call it that, but it's got a lot of metallic paint mixed in there, so that's what I'm using for my base. And I'm just going to do a little bit of a drops of color with the colors that I used on my last painting. We've got the Extreme Sheen Metallic Pink Tourmaline, I think it's called. I've got my Pearl in the Metallic Rust-Oleum. I've got Amsterdam's Golden Hour in the Pearl, which is a metallic, they just call it Pearl, and then Rust-Oleum Metallics in the Bronze. I think those are all the colors I'm pretty much going to use. Oh, and the Golden Teal, I have some Golden Teal mixed up as well I wanted to throw in there. And we're just going to wing it, see how this painting turns out. If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. And for all my regulars, thank you so much, you guys. All the thumbs up, all the comments, keep them coming. It really does make my day. Let me just move these bottles out of the way here. Okay, now I'm going to get Greg to put some music on and you just sit back, relax, and enjoy. Let's hope for some masterpieces tonight. Thanks, everyone.
Like the meat off the bone. I'm just a life-size lottery ticket in the hand of the one. The stress out, freak out's gone since we packed up the car. Now I'm standing in a circle, all your sad faces crowding the yard. Hair blowing out the window, got my foot on the deck. Left my sister at a cheap gas station with no phone or no cash. With the miles rolling under my wheels, I'm not running from my troubles, I'm running from me. Oh, this moon is gonna mess up my mind. Yeah, I'm conscious of the future, but I'm pressing rewind. Why can't I live in my own time? Rip off the bandage, baby, we gotta get used to it. Honky-tonk bars and whiskey in this land of the